Hello everyone, welcome to Step by Step Program YouTube channel. Today we learn website development. To learn website development, you can start by learning the basics of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. These are the three main languages used to create websites. HTML, Hypertext Markup Language, is used to structure the content of a web page. CSS, a cascading style sheets, is used to control the visual presentation of a web page, such as layout, colors, and fonts. JavaScript is used to add interactivity and dynamic functionality to web pages. Once you have a good understanding of these technologies, you can start learning a web development framework such as React, Angular, or Vue.js, which can simplify the process of building web applications. You can also learn a server-side language like PHP, Ruby, or Python, which are commonly used to develop dynamic web pages and web applications. Once you have a good understanding of these technologies, you can start building your own simple web pages and web applications, and then gradually increase the complexity as you gain more experience. Another way to learn website development is to take online courses and tutorials, which can provide step-by-step guidance and hands-on practice. Websites like Codecademy, Udemy, Coursera, and Khan Academy offer web development courses. Reading blogs and articles from experienced web developers can also give you a good understanding of the latest trends, tools, and best practices used in the industry. Thank you. Seen how to learn programming language. I hope helped to learn programming language. Don't forget more learn programming language. Subscribe Step by Step Program YouTube channel.